Welcome to Daffodoo. Hope you're all doing good. So in today's video I'll show you how to make this beautiful foam flowers with all waste material. So this is the fruit net which we get for the securing of fruit packaging. So here I'm using a binding wire which I have also collected from last year's Diwali crackles. Okay, so here I've cut the fruit net into half and tying one of the sides to the top portion of the binding wire. After bending it, cut the excess and now reverse all the flower which is there and make a small butt kind of thing with little pollen. So to secure this I am using little thin thread so that it won't show up on the top. Nicely give knots and secure it. So this is the center portion of the flower. If you feel that they are uneven, cut it. Okay, so this is the styrofoam sheet which I have received in another package. So I've made a flower stencil and I am cutting it according to it for the petals. Now insert this binding wire in the center of the flower, and to give it a little lift I am just giving a small slit, and with the help of white glue I am pasting this. We'll have to hold for some time because it will take some time to dry up. Do not use hot glue gun because the styrofoam will burn. So here I am using another layer of petal and securing it with white glue. So let it dry for some time. I've also made a small bud using green floral tape. Okay, so we can make some sepals out of it and secure and cover all the binding wire for a neater finish of the stem. So the center pollen which will enhance the look of the flower, I'm giving it light shade of acrylic color of yellow color. So this will very beautifully pop on the white background of the flower and it will make it look original. So this is how our bunch of flowers are ready. So we can decorate them. So here I am using natural greens in thinner and bigger leaves, and I'll place these flowers in different height so that it will be very aesthetically pleasing. So I've placed 4 flowers only. If you want you can add more flowers, but these little flowers are looking very pretty in this space. So I hope you have enjoyed watching the making of this beautiful styrofoam flowers, and I've placed it in my corner table besides Ganesha, and in dark background it is giving very beautiful look. So thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed my work, please like, share and subscribe to Daffodoo. Namaste.